Welcome to our TLE-AFA 8-term 1 week 9 lesson. Red apple canned food. In this presentation, we explore the important concepts of food processing methods, tools, equipment, and proper maintenance. Learn how different methods help preserve food and how the right tools and proper equipment care contribute to food safety, quality, accuracy, and efficiency. Pushpin topics covered. Strawberry sugar concentration, microbe fermentation, cucumber pickling, salt salting, cut of meat, curing, fire smoking, sun drying, running, dehydration, wrench, food processing tools and equipment, soap cleaning and sanitizing, balance scale, calibration and checking, hammer and wrench, equipment maintenance and storage, warning, food processing safety. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to compare food processing methods, identify appropriate tools, explain safety and control points, and apply proper equipment care procedures. Like this video if it helped you learn. Speech balloon, comment your favorite food processing method below. Bell, subscribe for more educational lessons and reviewers.